You've probably heard people talk about sales funnels, as if you should already know what they are, and it sounds complicated, technical, like something built for young marketing experts. Enough tiptoeing. Here's the truth. A funnel is not a tech stack. It's just the path from a stranger to trust. And once you see it, you'll realize you've understood this idea your whole life. In just a few minutes, I'll show you what a sales funnel really is, the simple path behind it, and why your past attempts probably got stuck. No jargon, no hype, just the whole map in one place. Maybe this is you. You've tried pieces of this before. Maybe you made something to sell. Maybe you even started a page, but nothing ever connected, and you couldn't figure out why. If that's you, ask me how I know. The story isn't pretty. For a long time, I collected the pieces, a product, a page, a tool or two, and I kept wondering why none of it turned into anything. The answer, when it finally landed, was simple and a little painful. The problem was never my dream. The problem was that I had pieces and no path. So, let's begin this together. Both feed in. What is a sales funnel? Forget the word for a second. Picture your favorite bakery. You're walking down the sidewalk, and you smell fresh bread. That smell pulls you in. You stop at the window and look at the display. You try a free sample, and then you buy a loaf. That whole walk, from the sidewalk to the window to the sample to the buy, that is a funnel. Online, it's the exact same walk, just with a page instead of a sidewalk. And here's the part most people won't say out loud. You don't need to be technical to understand this. You've walked into a shop 1,000 times. You already know how this feels. I'm just naming it. Now here's the thing. Almost nobody explains clearly. Most beginners collect the pieces but never connect them. They have a product over here, a page over there, maybe a freebie somewhere. All separate, all disconnected. A funnel just connects them to a single path. A stranger finds you. They land on a simple page. You offer a small, helpful freebie. They join your email list. You follow up gently and build trust. And somewhere in that trust, they decide to say yes. That's it. Stranger to page, to freebie, to follow up, to trust. Every piece you've heard about in isolation, this is where it all finally fits. See what happened? The scary word funnel was really just a path this whole time. And your past attempts didn't fail because you weren't smart or capable. They got stuck because nobody ever showed you the whole path in one place. Don't complicate it. Just 5 easy steps. A stranger finds you, a simple page, a small freebie, a follow-up, and trust. Most beginners are handed one piece at a time and left to guess how they connect. That's not a personal failure. That's a math failure. Pieces without a path can't add up. If this helped you finally see the whole map, there's a free blueprint that walks through this exact path in plain English. All the pieces, in order, in one place, so you can see it clearly before you spend $1. Wait till you see it. Links below. Take all the time you need. It'll still be here. So, where are we? A sales funnel is just the path from a stranger to trust. It's the bakery walk, online. And the reason things felt broken before was probably not the pieces. It was the missing path. Now that you can see the whole map, next up, I want to slow down on the one thing that quietly holds it all together, and the one thing beginners are usually sold instead. Because there's a reason more tools were never the answer. And remember, you were not the problem. You had the pieces. You were just missing the path. And late is not the same as impossible. See you in the next one.